Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello student, today we are going to learn our next poem number 25, After School. Student, I know you all are very eager to come to school, isn't it? So enjoy this poem and see what the children say, that though they like to go to school, they are very happy when they can pack their bags, books and all school related things, okay, and then they go off to play noisy and happily. However, their teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all alone. They think that she does not mind it. Okay, now see, first of all I will recite this poem, okay, and you all are recite after me. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day, and off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But then perhaps she doesn't mind. She does not mind. Okay student. Now see here student. Enjoy, this picture is given in our textbook. See here the teacher and all the students, okay, they are very happy when they enter in the school, and at the end of the school, when the school is over, at that time also they are enjoying to make a noise, making a very noisy situation. They are very happy to say goodbye to each and everyone, okay. But see, in this picture we can see here the teacher is always left behind, okay. So see here student, in the first stanza, although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away, okay, means the children says that though they like to go to school, they are happy when they can pack up their books. See here, our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day, okay, means they can pack up their books and slates and other things at the end of the day. Then they go off to play noisy. See here in the next stanza, and off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, okay, means they then go off to play noisy and happily. But however, their teacher, who is very good and kind, is left behind all alone. Is left behind all by herself, means all alone. But then perhaps she does not mind, means they think that perhaps she does not mind it, okay. Now see your student, the new word from this school means glad, okay, glad means very happy, okay. Then here romp means to play in happy and noisy way, okay. So these are new words for you. Now see here student, first of all, you all like to go to school, okay. So for going to school, you all pack up your bags in which you put all the things related to your school, for example books, notebooks, slates and other related things. And when it is over for the day, you all you want to play, you want to romp, means to play in a happy and noisy way, while you know your teacher is very good and kind, okay. And when you all left from the school, at that time also your teacher is behind all alone. Okay, you know student, your school timing is there. For example, 12 o'clock your school is over, but your teacher time is different one, because she is having the responsibility to send you very safely to your home. Okay, and whenever you go from the school, she is having the lots of work, for example checking your notebooks, preparing the planning for the next day. Okay, sometimes your teacher is having meetings with the principal ma'am, some official works they are doing there, so she is having lots of work, and this is the reason why she is left behind all alone. Okay student, now this is your homework. First of all, write down this poem with good handwriting in your English notebook, and the second one is there, read the poem aloud. Aloud means loud but with proper intonation, proper pronunciation. Okay student, thank you.